Hi, everyone. It's Jason Maida with American Pacific Mortgage, your leader in CalHFA lending. On Friday, the Dream for All vouchers were announced. So if you've received a voucher, congratulations. And so as you're starting on this journey towards homeownership with the Dream for All program, we want to provide you with our top 10 frequently asked questions. Question one, how do I access my voucher? Well, the voucher can be found on the CalHFA Dream for All portal. If you haven't received the voucher email, check your junk folder because it could be there. If you've had some problems with your registration, you might want to reach out to CalHFA directly. Question two, how do I know if I'm waitlisted? Well, you should have received an email on Friday, and that email from CalHFA indicated a waitlist number. So the lower the number is, the higher you're up on the ranking. The waitlist is a very fluid process. So as clients decide not to use a voucher, that waitlist gets updated. So we'd encourage you to check out your portal periodically throughout the month. Question three, do I need a new pre-approval letter if I've been selected for the Dream for All program? So the answer is yes. So we'll provide you with an updated pre-approval letter that you can use to begin starting to make offers on properties during your home search. Now, if you want some changes to your pre-approval, we'd encourage you to get connected with us and we'll provide you with updated numbers for your pre-approval. Question four, how long do I have to shop for a home? So the voucher is good until September 26th. Now, as long as you have an offer accepted by a seller during that period of time, then that will be allowed on the voucher program. So you don't have to close escrow by September 26th. You just have to have a ratified contract with the seller by that date. Question five, what are the rates on the CalHFA Dream for All program? Well, those rates are set daily by CalHFA. Those rates can be found at calhfa.ca.gov and they will update every business day. Once you have an accepted offer with the seller, then we can now reserve your funds for Dream for All as well as lock in your interest rate. Question six, what are the typical closing costs on the Dream for All program? The program does have standard origination costs, which are a percentage of your loan amount and do vary by lender. As one of the leaders in the program, we provide one of the lowest cost structures for the financing. Now, for the closing costs in general to purchase a home, it's generally estimated at 2 to 3% of your purchase price. Now, you can use some of the Dream for All funds to go towards your closing costs to help in reducing your total out-of-pocket expense. Question seven, can I add more funds to my purchase price and increase my eligibility? You can absolutely add more funds to the Dream for All program. However, the maximum contribution from a buyer is 5%. So for example, if I was to purchase a home for, let's say, $1 million, I would receive $150,000 from the program. The max contribution that I can add is $50,000 in funds for the transaction. Question eight, how long does it typically take to close escrow using the Dream for All program? Well, traditionally, the close of escrow time period for a normal transaction is 30 days. As one of the leading providers of the CalHFA program, we have a reduced timeline for the Dream for All. So we can actually close escrow as quick as 21 days on this program, possibly even quicker as we continue to move through the process with Dream for All. Since we are a direct lender and the leading provider of the program, we can provide you a very efficient process that allows you to also be competitive with your timelines in the transaction. Now, in a home purchase transaction, there's also contingency timelines. Those are generally 10 days for the loan and at least 10 days for the appraisal. Question nine, what if I'm looking for different lending options on the Dream for All program? So if you've been selected for a voucher, you have the opportunity to be able to seek out options with different CalHFA approved lenders. As the leading provider of the CalHFA product, we'd love to be able to provide you some different scenarios and design a home buying plan for you using the Dream for All program. And finally, question number 10, do I have the opportunity to refinance if I elect to use the Dream for All program? The answer is yes. On the program, you're allowed one refinance in that you don't have to pay back the shared appreciation at that time. Now, it does require you to have an interest rate reduction with that new refinance, which in turn would obviously lower your monthly payment. That is only what we call as a rate and term refinance. So you can't refinance to take equity out of the home. It can only be used for reducing your total monthly payment.